Okay guys, 2024 Nissan Kicks. We got a misfire on the cylinder. I'm waiting for the part, but let me just show you guys how to fix this. So we have a P0302 code. So cylinder 2 is misfiring. So front of the engine, from the belt size, you got cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. P0301, P0302, P0303, P0304. 304, you get a little bit complicated. If you're working on this one, you're gonna have to remove all this, push on the tab in there, and get that out of the way. So all you do is push the screwdriver here. This whole thing should come off. This thing will come off. But we're gonna mark this coil. So start with the connector, push on this tab right here, push this tab down, and the connector comes off. And 10 millimeter goes on. It's simple. It's the same procedure for all of them. You can swap the coil, see if the misfire transferred. So this one's not flashing yet, so I'm not worried about it. The coil comes out, usually these will fail, and it's like a $50 part. Get yourself a new one. Very simple and easy. And buy a new part, and you take it, you stick this in there. You don't have to do anything. If you got like 60-70,000 miles, change all the plugs, and new coil goes in. This is how simple it is. Okay, after that you have to reset the light with the scan tool. I got a video on how to do that. So the 10 millimeter goes on, very simple, and this guy clicks right on. Again, P0301, P0302, P0303, P0304. 304 is a little complicated. Like I said, you pull on that. Let me get something that I can push this with, such as a small fluid flathead screwdriver or something like this. All you do is you push something in here like a screwdriver, and this whole thing just comes off. I don't want to just pull it out for no reason. Okay, this whole thing come off. If you push in on this, flathead screwdriver will help you there, and then you pull up on this whole thing, and this gets out of the way. And again, cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, perfectly in order. Okay, swapping the coil will indicate to you if this misfire switched to a different, then you need to hook up a scan tool. A lot of times what I do is I disconnect. If the engine is shaking, and I disconnect this and there's no change in it, if I swap the coil and the new coil goes over here, and then I disconnect it and the cylinder does change, but it doesn't change over here, then it means the misfire has moved to a different cylinder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one, and bye bye.